runway 36, number 1, 7 Tango Delta.
November 387, contact ground 1 off, turn left next taxiway.
Turn left next taxiway, contact ground 37.
November 89 Lima, runway 36, clear for takeoff, right close.
Clear for takeoff, 36, 89 Lima.
November 89 Lima, correction, be left turn on course up, departure.
Left on course, 89 Lima.
November 9 Sierra Papa, extend your downwind to follow the Sears traffic in the about a mile and a half base.
Extending downwind, looking for the traffic, 4.9 Sierra Papa.
Just go from B, right course or left course for 89 Lima?
November 89 Lima, will be left on course southeast bound.
Left on course, 89 Lima. We'll be departing towards the southeast though.
And November 89 Lima, correction, that's going to be right on course southeast bound, sorry about that.
Right on course, 89 Lima, thank you.
Number 35 Sierra, extend your downwind, you're going to be number 3, following traffic off your left side and the opposite downwind, they're number 2.
Alright, extend downwind, 35 Sierra, looking for opposite side traffic.
November 9 Sierra Papa, the Sears traffic you're following is just ahead of you and to your right on the turning base to final.
Inside, 9 Sierra Papa.
November 9 Sierra Papa, roger, clear to land runway 36.
There's the land runway 36, 4.9 Sierra Papa.
November 3 Sierra, the traffic you're following is now turning a right base. You're number 3, runway 36, clear, touching, correction, clear to land.
Number 336 cleared to land, and we have no joy on the base traffic.
November 3 Sierra, roger, just report that traffic inside.
Looking 35 Sierra.
November 0 Mike Echo, you're going to be number 4, following the traffic ahead of you on the downwind, runway 36, clear, touch and go.
Mike Echo, number 4, following traffic, touch and go. Traffic inside for 35 Sierra.
November 3 Sierra, roger, base to follow that traffic.